The Federal High Court has restated its order made on the 7th of February, where it barred the People's Democratic Party from suspending or expelling Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State from the party. Justice James Omotosho gave the order following an ex parte application filed by Mr. Wike against the PDP. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has more.
Justice Omotosho has again asked Governor Wike and the PDP to maintain the status quo pending the hearing and determination of the suit filed by Governor Wike against the PDP. Mr. Wike had asked the court to order the PDP, its National Working Committee, National Executive Committee, the National Chairman of the party, and the PDP National Secretary to maintain the status quo and stay all actions relating to the threat to suspend or expel him from the party pending the determination of the matter. At the resumed sitting, Mr. Wike had, through his counsel, Joshua Musa, informed the court that the first to fifth respondent served him with a counter-affidavit they filed in opposition to the suit. He therefore applied for a short adjournment to enable him file his response to the respondents. The governor's request was not opposed by the counsel to the first to fifth respondent, Johnson Usman, and that of INEC. Consequently, Justice Omotosho adjourned the case, even as he directed the maintenance of the status quo by all the parties.
It's supposed to be for the hearing of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction, but they served us with a preliminary objection and other processes on Friday, and we are still within time to respond to the processes they filed. If they are not founded, he wouldn't be in court. The Constitution gives him the right that if his right is threatened with violation, he can approach the court, and that's why we came here.
There was no intention at any time, no meeting anywhere, deliberating issue of suspending or expelling Governor Wike from PDP. For everyone who perceives his right is likely to be breached, has the right to come to court in a political party matter. We'll leave it to court to decide whether he can come to court to complain about his right to membership of a political party. That should be determined by the courts.
Specifically, the respondents in the counter-affidavit challenged the jurisdiction of the court to entertain Mr. Wike's suit. Aside from challenging the powers of the court to meddle in the domestic affairs of a political party, the respondents argued that the governor failed to disclose any reasonable course of action. They described the suit as premature, insisting that the plaintiff failed to establish how his right was threatened. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.